What? 128 gigs of RAM?
There is no delay. It's just a toggling, like a light switch.
You don't actually have that time to stir your coffee because the file just opens and you're like, oh, okay, let's get to work.
Hi, I'm Anna, and I work at Ableton as a software developer.
Principal Product Manager at Adobe for Motion Graphics.
I'm Ruby at Vectorworks.
I'm Ellie Wade, and I work at Maxon.
Larissa Supnick, I'm the lead Sapphire developer.
3D designer, and I specialize in fabric simulation.
What we're really seeing with the M1 Ultra is a faster workflow from very first launch all the way through to final export. The UI is more fluid, previewing's faster. If you can speed up every one of those loops, you keep people in their creative flow.
Getting that kind of performance change between generations is really amazing.
Now a designer can say, I want this change and I want to do this, and do that instantly.
Scene rendering is up to 4 times faster. And now with these new performance speeds, I can take it to the next level. You're only limited by your own imagination, whether it is photorealistic renders or whether it is millions of objects flying everywhere.
Everything just flows. One of the things that you'll really notice is the navigation in the 3D environment. It's all very responsive and it creates this uninterrupted experience.
With the 270 Sapphire effects, being able to get effects that users love using so much of the time faster is phenomenal.
You could just keep putting layers on top of layers and more layers.
The fabric simulation is faster now. So I'm able to see little subtle details, little things like puckering, gathering, pulling of the fabric, when I wasn't able to see that before.
Does it feel buttery smooth? There's an emotional component to it.
M1 Ultra seems very unimpressed with the load I ask it to handle. Now you could add more wavetable synthesizers together, and that contributes to the richness of your sound. There's more room for improvisation. DJ sets become more expressive.
People are going to be able to really push the bounds of their creativity.
You can actually trust that your stuff's gonna get done on a deadline.
Now we're going to have designers from different backgrounds, different voices, different experiences, being able to have a seat at the table.
The answer to what's gonna happen is, I don't know, and that's exciting.